Hi guys, my name is Erin Arrington, and I'm a registered behavior technician at Nova ABA in Herndon, Virginia. My rating is 4 out of 7 or 57%. I missed conceptually systematic, effective, and technological. I think I could have been more descriptive about my responsibilities when I described what I do. For example, I said that I provide one-to-one ABA therapy to clients, but that doesn't really accurately describe how my duties reflect the 7 dimensions of ABA. A better way of describing what I do could have been that I work with clients on a variety of goals, including functional communication, activities of daily living, leisure and play skills, gross and fine motor skills, and coping strategies and self-management. I also work with clients on goals involving reading, math, organizational, and planning skills. That's not comprehensive, but is a good start to explaining what I do. I also could have said that I implement treatment plans and behavior intervention plans rather than just saying treatment plans. That way to make sure that I'm covering the behavioral aspect. Additionally, I could have included that I take detailed notes during sessions, including data to address the technological dimension of ABA. This is something that I do at every session, and I'm not sure why I didn't think to include it in my description. Finally, I could have added that I assist the BCBA with monitoring for progress or lack thereof and troubleshooting programs for effectiveness. That way I am addressing the effective dimension of ABA. I think the biggest takeaway from this is that it's important to be really descriptive when describing what you do if you work as an ABA therapist. That way we're disseminating the most accurate information we can about ABA. Thanks for watching my video.